Hello people, my name is Maddox64 and today I'll be showing you guys how to play Among Us on your School Chromebook. Please check out my first channel, it's a gaming and reaction channel. Now without further ado, let's get started. Now, to do this, you need the app Co-Writer. I already did a video on this. It can be used for unblocking stuff, and I will leave it down in the description. Alright, from here you want to click on Sign In with Microsoft, and then click on Sign In Options. Click on Sign In with GitHub, and then click on Privacy. Then go to Search GitHub and search up Google. Now click on See Topic and then www.google.com. Then from here you want to search up now.gg Among Us. And then from here you want to click the first option and then click on Play in Browser. And as you can see, this is actual Among Us. Now, alright, let me just skip this ad real quick. Alright, and as you can see, this is the mobile version of Among Us. I would recommend that you would do everything that I did so you can get in every single match. Just write your birth date as 2002. And then press on OK. You can either sign in or you can continue as guest. If you don't sign in, then you can, and speaking is very limited. You can't speak freely. So I'm just going to sign in here. Now, as soon as this thing loads, you can play Among Us freely. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you can, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and goodbye.